Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change your payout schedule in Shopify Payments. Adjusting your payout schedule helps you control how often you receive your earnings, whether that's daily, weekly, or on a custom schedule. Let's get started. Open your Shopify dashboard and go to Settings. You can find Settings in the lower left part of the screen. Click on it. Once you're in, click Payments. Please note that you can only manage your payout settings if you already have an active plan on your Shopify account. Since we don't have a plan set up yet, we will walk you through an example of what the payment dashboard looks like. Here is a sample image. As you can see, if you have an active account, you will see the Manage option under your Shopify Payments method. Click on that. After you click it, scroll down to the Payout Schedule section. Here, you can set your payout to every business day, every week, or every month, depending on what works best for you. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click Save. And that's how you update your payout schedule in Shopify Payments, giving you better control over your cash flow and helping you choose a payout timing that suits your business.